Well, Kelly is currently on a plane, so the first Friday live stream scheduled for tonight will be happening tomorrow instead, Saturday, March 4th at 7 p.m. Central Time. Hope to see you there.
Geronimo!
What on earth? Is that Kelly? I hope he brought a parachute.
Oh, God. Oh, man, I'm gonna miss First Friday. Oh, Chris. Man, I'm so glad you're here. I actually opened the exit door and jumped out of the plane so I could get here on time to do First Friday. Are we ready?
Oh, Kelly, I already told everyone we're gonna do it tomorrow because I didn't think you'd make it today.
Oh, you told them. Okay, well, I guess we'll just call it First Saturday and we'll do it tomorrow. Sounds good to me.